guys, Sarah here from The Glitter Guy, and today we are going to dunk this iPhone 14 Pro Max into this bucket of water. Specifically, we are going to hydro dip it. Before we get started, make sure you please like and subscribe to our channel so you can always see all the cool videos we put out. Today, we are going to be using a whole bunch of colors from Hyrdo. They make these super cool, easy marble paints. These are safe to use inside. They are safe for adults, kids, don't put it in your mouth, you know, all the normal rules. But these are a great alternative to the spray paint hydro dipping that a lot of people do for tumblers and other things, because you can do this inside of your house, any season. It's raining out, doesn't matter. One thing about these is they have to be very shooken up. What I like to do is I crack all the lids to where I can basically just pull it off, because then I'm going to give them one more shake before I throw them in the bucket. Of course, I have to pick all the colors, but you can do as easy as 1 color, 2 colors, 7 colors. All you need is, see, just like that, a few drops. You're gonna want to be a little quick with this. You do not need it nearly as much as I'm pouring in. I have control issues. Once you guys start doing this yourself, you will also see what I mean. All right, now that I got all my blues in there, you're going to take some kind of stick-like utensil and literally just barely graze it. If you're going to mix it up, you're gonna wanna like skim the very top as light as you can. If you get some off, do not attempt to mix it in there. Just kind of pulling it. Some of mine's kind of gathering together. I'm just bringing it up on the side of my bucket so it's not going to wind up on my project. What you're gonna wanna do is, because I'm gonna do this pretty quick, I'm gonna put my cup in all the way down so the whole cup is submerged. You can do however you wanna do it. Some people will go in on a tilt. Some people just go straight down. This all depends on what you want the outcome to look like. Once you get it in there, you'll see me do all these things, but I'm going to break it up around it. So do not stop once you touch this to the water, just keep going. Even if you don't think it's gonna turn out the way you want. So I wanna go in like there. There you go. These dry pretty instantly. Yeah, see, I'm not ruining anything here. So I'm just gonna sit this to the side and let it dry all the way. And then you just scrape your bucket out. As you can tell from the sides of my bucket, I just pull it up to the sides and leave it there. A little bit hanging out. I got my little scooper thing. Obviously, you can definitely wear gloves. I didn't, but this is gonna wash right off my hands. So that was a prepped True 22 from Tipsy Magnolia that had no kind of coating or epoxy on it, but you absolutely can dip a epoxy cup. You cannot dip a cup that has been glittered and not sealed, but you can dip a cup that has been glittered and sealed. A lot of pinks this time. I hate shaking them up, but what are you gonna do? Marabou, I'm pretty sure it's volume 1 or whatever we're calling it these days, has a clear. The clear acts the same as the other paints, except it's clear. So if you have something on the bottom, this is going to help make spaces in between your paints. Instead of just relying on the free space that comes out of the water, it will actually put more in there, like the paint did, so that you can see what is underneath. So we're gonna use a little bit of clear. All right, now we got more than enough paint that we need. Sometimes I like to use my Scotty peeler instead. I feel like it slices through the water a little better. And it is. So obviously it's going to be a lot lighter because you're on a glittered base, not a white base, but you can definitely see it. These happen because my paint's a little old. So if you're getting globs like this, your paint has been sitting too long. which would make sense because that's my rose pink and that's probably my oldest one. So it's time for that one to go. But other than that, these colors came out amazing. So I wasn't going to dip 2 cups, but then I just got a cool idea and I wanted to test it on a cup first. So let's dip another cup real quick. We are going to make a little whirlpool. And then we are going to dump our colors in, and then we are going to dip our cup. So I want the water to swirl a little fast because I want just a minute to get my colors in here. I think they all swirled together. Maybe I will dip the vinyl. Another thing you can dip, guys. This is just a white piece of vinyl that I'm going to dry back off. Let's see what happens. The vinyl, you're gonna just go straight down. Haha. So all around the center, all around the outside's really cool, but the center, definitely, you know, and this is just regular old 651 vinyl. This, you can let this dry, put it on your silhouette or Cricut mat, and cut right into it. So you can cut right into your own patterns. Thought that was gonna come out a lot better. All right, should we dip the iPhone?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, Chris, what colors are we gonna dip?
I really like the way you did the first cup.
With all the blues. We got all kinds of blues. We got some silver.
Let's try silver and blue. What do you think about that?
Yeah. We're gonna test out how good Chris's phone insurance is today. I've never dipped a phone before. You can dip phone cases, but why dip a phone case when you could dip the whole phone?
Exactly.
All right. Get out. Silver and white are the 2 colors that definitely go bad the earliest that I've noticed with these paints. Use them up, guys. The longer you let it sit, the harder it is gonna be to mix them up. So I'm gonna stop messing with that. All right, let's see how this goes. Hey, that came out pretty cool.
That looks great.
Well, guys, you can dip an iPhone 4 Pro Max. 14. Damn. You know, I'm like, that doesn't sound right.
It's a little early.
And guys, this on the screen here, because obviously we got it all over the other side too, it's coming right off. So guys, Marabou Easy Marbles are pretty versatile. You can dip just about anything. You can dip cloth items, you can dip canvas, you can dip ceramic, you can dip metal, glass. You see there's tape here, just to be on the safe side. These clean up off your hands and whatever else you might have gotten them off of pretty easy. You can get all of the Easy Marble Marabous on the Glitter Guys website. They are usually almost always 30% off because we want everyone to always have them. And we like to be able to give you guys sales like that. Feel free to dip anything in them. Room temperature is the best kind of water that I've gotten the best results from. I hope that you guys had a lot of fun with this video. I hope that I inspired some really cool projects on your end. And please, if you haven't yet, like and subscribe to our channel so you can always see all these cool videos. Thank you.